I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe I just got so used to it. It doesn't happen in this car, and this car is way more expensive. I'm not sure if, let's just call it adaptive sound control. I'm not sure if the more expensive Teslas have it, like the Model S and the Model X. If they do have something like that, let me know. I'm not gonna buy one, but I'm just curious, and I'm just too lazy to Google it myself. But yeah, a car at this price point, you'd think it would just be like a feature in the screen or whatever, like adaptive sound control. I'm not going to show you guys all this now. I'll show you in my Living with Tesla Model 3 without a garage video. But another complaint that I have is the turning radius compared to many cars I've driven. You got to make like an 8-point turn sometimes just to park or maneuver. That can get a little annoying in tight spaces. And this car isn't even that big, so it really confuses me a lot. You'll see what I mean if you ever like test drive a Tesla, or if you have one yourself in like a normal ICE car. Again, I'll demonstrate this as well. But the cruise control on this thing is so strong, dude. Like, if you're not expecting anything, like for example, let's say you're going on cruise control or autopilot. Let's just say you're going 70 miles an hour. That's like the highest like speed limit here in Georgia. If you drop that thing down to like 65, like with the quickness, you just, here, let me see if I can show you. Of course, I'll show you when I'm driving, but this wheel right here actually controls the cruise controller autopilot speed. So if you do it fast, it'll drop 5 miles an hour. If you do it slow, just one click at a time, it'll go up 1 mile per hour or down 1 mile per hour. So it's so strong that it'll actually like jam on the brakes just to get you down to your set speed limit. I wish this was a little more gradual, but again, I'll discuss this later. Oh wait, I'm tripping. I didn't even show you guys the interior. Let me do that right now. Ugh. Oh, another pro tip. Keep your adapter handy. You never know when you might need it. This is actually a J1772 adapter to Tesla. So yeah, Tesla uses its own charging scheme thingy. Ugh. Ignore my old man sounds. Dang, I really need to clean these cars before doing reviews. Anyway, check it out. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Unfortunately, my car is recording my voice now because it's connected via Bluetooth. Interior. Oh, pro tip, keep an umbrella in your car at all times, man. They come in clutch. Of course, you got the starlit moonroof, sunroof, whatever you desire to call it. It's really awesome. Let's check out the back. It's actually like mad roomy in here for an electric car. Get you a sunshade too. People think they don't work. They actually do work. So yeah, it's really spacious and roomy back here too. Oh, no transmission tunnel. So you actually have like flat floor throughout. That helps too. Storage, kids, extra leg room, whatever. And yeah, oh, let me show you the trunk as well. Yeah, this is mad spacious. I'm sure you've seen this on other Tesla reviews. Pro tip, also keep a Frisbee. Never know when you might need it. So yeah, it's pretty deep. So I had a Honda Civic Si, of course. You could actually fit a whole 55-inch flat screen TV back there. You can probably fit several back here. If you need more space, of course, you got your undercover thingy. Yeah. Hey, y'all gonna get on me about the curb rash, but this wasn't me. I'm not a fan of buying new, so yeah, tis what it is. Gotta take what comes with it and whatnot. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, if you take off those atrocious car covers, unless you have like the Performance Model 3, this is what they actually look like. Just, yeah. They look way better like this in my opinion, but they do significantly reduce range, especially if you're going on like a road trip or something like that. In the city, it really doesn't matter that much, to be honest. Dude, it's so hot outside, man. It don't make no sense. Come on, Fall. Jeez. Anyway, before I forget, if you guys have any questions, comments, you know what? I might even do like a live stream of like a real life Tesla owner who doesn't own a house. Yeah, I think that would be a pretty good idea. Let me know. I'll be able to answer some questions and show you some things you guys probably didn't consider, or give you other information on it. Oh wait, of course, I forgot to mention another reason why this car is so easy to live with and why it's the ultimate daily driver: that instant torque. I'm sure you saw numerous YouTube videos of the launches and how fast it can pick up. It's true. It's not like mind-blowingly fast in this model, but I have been in the faster test. So me and my brother, we joke about that all the time. Hey guys, do you have the fast Tesla or do you have the faster Tesla? I'm like, dude, you got the fast Tesla. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's convenient. Try it out if you haven't. I know you're like, oh, I don't do electric cars and whatnot. Trust me, I was that person. Electric cars are my jam, especially if you're an IT kind of guy. That is for sure, I'm telling you. I'm getting a little hungry, not even gonna lie, so God bless you all. And thank you for taking the time to rock with your boy. It really means a lot. I will see you on the next video. Bye! I'm actually thinking about doing that tilt screen. If you guys look it up, like basically you can tilt your screen from left to right to make it more driver focused. It's pretty freaking cool. It's a really easy install as well. Oh yeah, got to show you guys more storage for more stuff. Yeah, this car has storage on storage on storage, man. This is crazy, dude. Wild. Dude, low-key, this might be the new format, man. I think I'm gonna alternate with this style of review. It's a lot more informative and a lot more personal for sure. No script, no writing. I can just really let loose. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Oh, also, I got a message for all my car enthusiasts. These cars look the same, so if you could go on and get that body kit that's available for this car, do whatever it is you have to do to mod this. Make it look different because they're a dime a dozen, man. I see these cars everywhere I go now, and it's not, like I said, it's not even special anymore. Me personally, I'm not going to mod this car at all because I don't do that to daily drivers. Wink, wink. Oh, wow. Lexus. How could I forget one of the most important features? Tesla dash cam. This car has 6 cameras, 3 in the front, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and some under the pillars. This car will keep you out of trouble. Insurance claims, easier to prove. Wrecks, accidents, police shenanigans. Yeah, extremely nice to have, and definitely comes in clutch. You can save all the footage and upload it to your computer, and Tesla just makes that so much easier. Thank you, Mr. Elon. Why don't most or all cars come with at least a front-facing dash cam like that? That actually doesn't make any sense to me. Like, I know it's a little bit of a rant, but this car has things you would think would be in a normal car by now. Like, I get it. It's gonna be in your Mercedes and your BMWs and your other luxury cars. Like, even simple things like a dash cam or being able to locate your vehicle to, I don't know, help prevent theft a little bit, or even recover your car when it gets stolen. I don't think we ask for much. I really don't. Or maybe we do.